What's going on there, everybody? Just got this PNW Loam Carbon Handlebar in FedEx today. It's the fastest shipment I've had from PNW in forever. Let's check it out. Got the red sticker kit. .38mm rise. Wanted to go a little higher up than my standard loam bars. Just to see what the hype's all about. I've never had a high rise bar. It's 38. Looking pretty good. The decal kit. Fiber paste packet. That's it. Fiber grip. I have some of that already, but there's the decal kit that goes on there in case you want to change the decals from gray to red. That bar is going to go on. YT Decoy. I recently got a used Decoy, which put me here in this situation. But yeah, since you don't have to worry about much climbing on this thing, especially where I live, I want to do a high rise bar, see how it feels.